Hey guys, what's up? So today we're on 27. This is one of our 2023 CEs. This is one of the first 16 buses we got back in late March. So somebody actually requested to see a tour of this bus. So here we are. Pretty basic. It's pretty much the same as all the other ones I've done tours on. This one is just stock specs. You've got your brown seat fabric, window tint, white roof on the outside, nothing special. Got your overhead storage. There's the inside number, driver's area, step well. There's my jacket. So like I said, nothing special on this really. Let's see. The outside here, got the route changer. Only one emergency exit window. Rubber guard around the wheel well. And there's the back of the bus. Got your LED brake, turn, and reverse lights, but incandescent warning lights. Got the backup camera. Here's the driver's side of the bus. And then we've got the stop sign with the LED lights on it. For a stock bus, why would you get LED lights on your stop sign but not LED warning lights? Doesn't make any sense to me. There's the front of the bus. No cross arms. And then you can see some of the sister buses right there. But yeah, I mean, that is pretty much 27. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. And yeah.